Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I will show you how to fix microphone not working on iPhone and iPad. So without wasting any time, let's get started. And before start, please don't forget to subscribe. Solution number 1. Check screen time setting. To check that, go to settings, scroll down, find and tap on screen time. Now tap content and privacy restrictions and tap microphone and make sure that all apps are enabled that are using microphone, and also make sure that allow changes is selected. If you select don't allow changes, the iPhone will not allow to change these options. So select allow changes and enable microphone for all apps. Solution number 2. Check microphone permission. To check that, first we have to go to settings. Now scroll down, find and tap on privacy. And under privacy, we have to tap on microphone and make sure that all apps are toggle on. Solution number 3. Reset all settings. For that, go to settings, then tap general, tap reset and tap reset all settings. Put your iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm your action. Solution number 4. Check the latest version of iOS. To check that, first launch settings, then tap general and tap software update and update your iPhone if update is available. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.